22 when they killed my younger sister. Still I can't believe the low blister. They let a nigga out and give my mama hicks up. I was drowning in the vodka, I couldn't see the teacup. Police darling, the rhythm of a statesman. Losing the map in the middle of the basement. Tears from conscious of my lateness. Parents hope perished to be the greatest. Still I see a smile on a great wall. Hundreds after 50 saw my gun plane never fall. Pray to heaven, can I pay the toll? I wanted the justice before the coffin roll. My heart is fungible, I don't give a fuck about love. I remain on fairy land, on real life I die. I dare fortify the crans, I see pieces like that. Saving sad feeling, I need a strong glove. Zulu Pabulam, bring the whole fire. Your cash brought you here, me and my grandsire. David cut the tire, but Lord conspire. Who inspired the whole verse? Desire. If money is real, who's willing for the game? Orifice of phone covered in cash for fame. Still bleeding, no sacrifice, no victory gain. All this coffin put us in the same lane. I started to crucify the truth before I die. Rap up humdrum like it's not mine. Pop a drug nigga and go and fly high. Blacks don't cure at all, they got poverty line. I'm next, I can't deny the package. Rolling naked, tending to stylish. Corona wanna famish. Corona put a body down and vanish. My life shines, cause the fate polish. Happy Valentine's Day, happy Valentine's Day. Yo, happy Valentine's Day, happy Valentine's Day. Yo, happy Valentine's Day, happy Valentine's Day. MK made the dumb stories over Valentine's Day. No expectation when they say the love pay. Deep history of love, so hear me when I say black or white celebrates, my nigga, it's okay. Roman Empire started this, okay, now we know. I don't care where you step, watch who you follow. Love is strong winds, so you better fly low. Let it one slide, it's Valentine, my nigga, let's go. Bring keys of roots, so love is planted. Power of a cup of rice, my niggas how we started. GPV let us down since love is grounded. Love only exists when one is pounded. From Christ's feast day to our one.